In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve SSPPSC 2013 MCQ, that is, if X represents the outcome when a dice is tossed, then the expected value of X is solution, that is as Ex is equal to summation X is equal to 1 to 6 X, P of X is equal to, so dice side is equal to 6. So X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 1 P of 1 plus 2 P of 2 plus 3 P of 3 plus 4 P of 4 plus 5 P of 5 plus 6 P of 6. So hence we get E of X is equal to 1 divide 6. It means sides of dice that is equal to 6. 1 divide 6 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 21. So 21 divided by 6. 3 2 times is 6, 3 7 times is 21, so 7 divided by 2, option C is correct, that is 7 divided 2. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.